You are now watching Zimbabwe Entertainment, fresh from the source.
Okay guys, we decided to prank Lady Squanda. Yes, Squanda Fire. Right, let me introduce you. This is Talent. She's gonna play my baby mother, who is so upset that Lady Squanda has been going out with Mof. Right, so as soon as Lady Squanda comes for the interview, when she sits, my baby mother is gonna come straight away and text it on Squanda. We want to see how much pressure Squanda can take. We just want to make sure, she reaches boiling point. So we also pranked Cherry Pookie Love, the Zim Entertainment presenter. I think for the first 2 minutes, we pranked it. So just have a look and tell us what you think. But please forgive us about the sound. This is our first experiment. The sound is not perfect, but we're going to try and make it better next time. Cheers.
Hi, this is Chelsea and you're watching Zim Entertainment. I'm here with the famous ladies. Chi. Sorry. Ayo wakani. Mira. Ayo mira ndikuze mira. Ayo wakana nya tripa basa kani. Tripa basa. Sério. Koşu şeytiga. Arguento. Gaboli, tate, yalifuna.
Entertainment, Lady Squanda. Lady Squanda has been pranked by Zim Entertainment.
This is Squanda has been pranked. You guys, Zendaro, I've been pranked.
Sorry?
Thank you.
Hi, this is Chelsea and you're watching Zim Entertainment. We just pranked Lady Squanda. As you all can see, Lady Squanda just got the shock of her life. Like I said before, at Zim Entertainment, we have so much in store for you this year and next year. This is one of the things, one of our projects. Please don't tell the celebrities, we're going to be doing more of this. That was Lady Squanda and the very lovely talent Cookie Dough Mujaji. As you can see, it was amazing. Zim Entertainment is taking you places. We're going to speak to Lady Squanda now. Squanda Fire.
Yes, how are you?
How are you doing, babe?
I'm doing good, I'm fine.
Squanda, tell me, how was you feeling in the last 5 minutes?
I was scared, I was confused. I don't know, I just didn't know.
You just got the exclusive Zim Entertainment. Welcome to Zim Entertainment.
Thank you.
Squanda, we know you had a show today here at Rollers. Please tell us a little bit about your show today. How did you find it?
My show today was better than last year because Shanga Zakatusiana totally. So I think I'm doing good.
Squanda, so what should we expect from you? What's coming next? What should the youth expect? What inspires your music before I even go to?
I believe I inspire myself because Ndogona, plus I believe I don't have anyone to look up to.
What would you like to say to the people out there?
I just want to say thank you very much for supporting my music, for giving me the support. I really appreciate. Thank you, guys.
At Zim Entertainment, we have a tradition. Every single time, we ask the artists to sing. I don't know if you're too shaken from what Talent's just done, but can you give us a little a cappella?
All right. Ndakazoona vabata matemo ndikati nhasi ndinofira muno ndakarohwa ndikaita bho ndikashaya dho ndikati upenyu hwasvika magumo ndakaridza mere senge mhandara yaitwa musengabere saka rega ndirambe ndinyerere mungazoti ndonyeba kana ndikakudza izvizere. It's a piece of my new song inonzi boots pamuromo fight pamuno mushure mekunge ndaonekwa nemurume wemunhu.
Aiwa mazvinzwira Squanda abatwa pano nhasi parollers ane murume waTalent. As you all saw, Talent was going crazy. I'm going to speak to Talent now. I was really scared, Talent.
Yeah, I told them not to tell you.
You know what? I was genuinely surprised. You gave me the shock of my life today. I usually do the shocking, but today, that was amazing. Would you like to tell us a little bit more about what you were doing today?
Okay, I got a call from Paul, and the one who sort of sorts this whole Zim Entertainment out, and he said that he had an idea. He wanted to prank Squanda, and I was all for it. So today we got here. We're just like, okay, we're gonna improvise, see what she's doing, see how we can, work into it. So we went with that, and it spooked her, which worked. So that was a good one.
Talent, I understand you've got stuff in the pipeline. Besides selling clothes, accessories, which are some of the accessories she's wearing, she sells that stuff in here. Would you like to tell us what else you've got in mind?
At the moment, I'm writing scripts and dramas, comedies, love stories. So it's all coming in the pipeline. So you want to keep updated, you have to find me on Facebook, find me on Instagram, Twitter. I'm everywhere. My website is www.justcookiedough.co.uk. So don't miss out. Stay tuned.
Well, you heard it from the lady herself. Visit Cookie Dough's blog. And I was here with Lady Squanda and Talent. Talent, thank you so much. That was amazing. Lady Squanda, can you give a shout out to Zim Entertainment?
Zim Entertainment, I love you. Thank you guys for everything. You're doing a great job. Keep it up.
This is Chelsea. You're watching Lady Squanda being pranked by Talent. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Fresh from the source.
You have been watching Zimbabwe Entertainment, fresh from the source.